Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, I'm going to explain about how we have to create date component which can be reused multiple times. In previous video, we have seen how to implement the checkbox component. In this checkbox component, we have label and field, and finally we have the error message also here. For the date component also we have to provide all these three components. First I'm going to create date.jsx and create a component, import the Formik, import field, and here I'm going to remove the date and provide class name as container. Inside I'm going to provide a label HTML for to get the name, and here we have to provide a label, again label. So next we have to provide field and remove this one, again provide name, provide dot rest type and id equal to name. So here we have props. With this props we are going to create the multiple variables, name, label, type, rest, and equal to props. After creating fields, we have to provide error message, and provide name, here. So error message, copy this one. So here we have to provide close braces. So after this we can use, after this error message, go to the form control and scroll down. We have to uncheck and change the input to date and go to the form container, create form control, type date and close the tag, control date, name, label, date. So after providing these values, you have to go to the front end. So after providing date, open the front end so you can have this date. So let's open the console and go to the console, select the date and submit. So it is the required one. Name, it is only a required one. So after selecting this one, you can see that date has been selected, third month and first day. Date picker has been done. So in the next video I will explain how we have to implement the error messages for the Formik in a component. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe the YouTube channel.